Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to uninstall Google Meet on PC. First of all, you can see this is my Google Meet app which I installed on my PC. You can see this is installed on my PC. You can see I am doing many work, so my desktop is getting slow. So I want to remove this app. So for that, I'll go to these three dots. And over here you can see uninstall Google Meet. Just click on this. And you'll find pop-up over here that to remove Google Meet. Also, if you check over here, all data related to this app is gonna be removed. And click on this remove. And you can see as soon as I click on this, our Google Meet app is uninstalled from our PC. So in this way, we can uninstall Google Meet app from our PC. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.